Hello viewers, we'll be going over silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis. On Friday, it closed above 2.1% on the 1-hour chart. We are experiencing slight signs of diverging on the 1-hour MACD, and we're near overbought on the RSI. We start to see a divergence on the 9-moving onto the 18-moving average, the blue and purple line respectively. As for the 4-hour chart, what we have here is we're seeing that the 100 moving average is acting as our immediate support, and as for the 4-hour MACD, we have now reached to positive MACD, and we are not quite near overbought on the RSI. If we expand that further onto a daily chart, what we have here is we're seeing the 18-day moving average acting as our reliable support, as indicated back in August 12th as well as in August 25th. For the daily MACD, we're experiencing sideways action, and we have not quite hit overbought on the RSI yet. So what we see here is we're making higher lows for the uptrend. That is a positive sign. So at the moment, one could say that we may find temporary support acting as around a price of $24.92, as indicated back in July 27th as well as August 12th. On the other hand, for resistance to the upside, we encountered resistance that dated back to August 7th at around a price of $29.55. If we were to hit that resistance level, that price movement is roughly around 6.3%, and to hit support level, that price movement to the downside is roughly around 10.4%. So for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV. So what we have here is, if I were to enter a long position, my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my entry will be $21.92. That is fairly close to where the 50-day moving average resides, this yellow line, and my sell target will be $26.97. My stop loss will be $20.75. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, that would be, if I zoom out a bit further, what we have here, let's zoom in and see. My short position is around $29.40, so around that range, and my sell target for my short is around $23.28, and my stop loss will be $30.86. So the range and the bullish and bearish ratios come from the day-by-day probability model, which helps develop my trade idea. So these models are available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 37% chance for silver to climb between 0 to 14%, and to the downside we have a 58% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 14%. And on the extreme case to the downside, we have a 5% chance for it to fall between negative 29% to negative 44%. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.